Arrive in style with this Kia 2020 Niro LXS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are automatic with auto shift transmission, 4-wheel ABS brakes, dust-sensing headlights, interior air filtration, privacy tinted glass, rear bench seats, 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, intermittent window wipers and remote power door locks. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.